Samsung could be working on a more affordable foldable phone, making foldable technology accessible to more users. Reports indicate that the company is developing a budget friendly version of its popular Z Flip series, possibly named the Galaxy Z Flip FE. Leaks suggest that this device might share several features with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, making it an attractive option for those who want a foldable phone without stretching their budget too far. A recent tip from a reliable source hints that the Galaxy Z Flip FE will have the same display as the Galaxy Z Flip 6, but with a slight difference in brightness. It might be limited to 1900 nits, which is still bright enough for most lighting conditions. The foldable screen is expected to maintain its durability with ultra-thin glass technology. Samsung may also use the same armor aluminum frame, hinge, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection as the Flip 6, ensuring the device remains sturdy and resistant to everyday wear and tear. For photography, the phone is rumored to feature a 50-megapixel main camera along with a 10-megapixel front camera. If these details turn out to be accurate, it would be a notable improvement compared to previous base models in the Flip lineup, allowing users to capture high-quality photos. In terms of performance, Samsung is reportedly considering an Exynos processor, likely the Exynos 2500, instead of the Snapdragon chips commonly found in its foldable devices. This shift could help reduce costs while still providing solid performance. Additionally, the device may support Wi-Fi 6E and 25-watt fast charging, keeping up with modern connectivity and charging expectations. Other features that have been mentioned include water-resistant sealing, stereo speakers, and Samsung's Pro Visual Engine, which is designed to enhance camera processing. The device is also expected to launch with Android 15 and One UI 7X, just like Samsung's upcoming flagship foldable models. However, due to possible hardware limitations, some advanced Galaxy AI features might be missing. Tools such as live translation and enhanced photo editing could either be restricted or absent in this version. While the Flip FE appears to closely resemble the Galaxy Z Flip 6, there are still a few unknowns. The maximum brightness of the screen and the official water and dust resistance rating remain unconfirmed. The biggest question, though, is its price. The device is expected to launch in August alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but Samsung has not yet revealed its pricing strategy. Since it is being positioned as a more affordable alternative, it will likely be placed below the Flip 7 in terms of cost. A lower-priced foldable could be a smart move for Samsung, especially as competition in this market is heating up. Brands like Oppo, Huawei, and Motorola continue to push forward with their own foldable innovations, and making the Z Flip series more accessible might help Samsung maintain its lead. If the company finds the right balance between price and features, the Galaxy Z Flip FE could attract many users eager to try foldable phones without the high price tag. Would you be interested in getting the Galaxy Z Flip FE if it comes at an attractive price? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Samsung is working on exciting new camera features, and one of the standout additions to the Galaxy S25 series is AI filters. This tool, powered by Galaxy AI, allows users to create custom filters enhancing photos with unique styles and effects. But if you don't have a Galaxy S25, you might be wondering if this feature will be available on older devices. According to recent leaks, Samsung could be planning to bring AI filters to previous Galaxy models through the One UI 7 update. A well-known source, Taran Vats, recently shared that AI filters may not be limited to the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has already made this feature available for the Galaxy S24 lineup as part of the fourth beta update of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Reports suggest that AI filters could also reach Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series smartphones launched in 2021 or later. If this information is accurate, many Samsung users will get to experience this AI-powered feature without needing to upgrade to the latest flagship model. The expected list of supported devices includes several of Samsung's premium smartphones. On the Galaxy S series, the update may extend to the Galaxy S21, S22, S23, and S24 models. For foldable devices, the feature might be available on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, and the upcoming Z Fold 6. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, and Z Flip 6 could also receive the update. Since AI filters are already confirmed for the Galaxy S24, it makes sense that Samsung would expand them to other high-end models. The reason behind this could be that AI filters don't seem to require advanced hardware or extensive processing power, making them compatible with older devices without causing major performance issues. In addition to AI filters, Samsung is also bringing other camera features from the Galaxy S25 to previous models. One of the major additions is log video recording, which was recently introduced to the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the latest One UI 7.0 beta update. Log video recording provides a flat color profile, giving users more flexibility in post-processing and advanced video editing. However, this feature may not be available for all models, as reports suggest that the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will not receive it. The likely reason is that log video requires more processing power, making it suitable only for premium Samsung devices. Samsung has not yet confirmed an official release date for One UI 7.0, but there are strong signs that it will be available soon. The company has recently ended the beta program, which typically means that the stable version is close to being rolled out. Many Galaxy users are eagerly waiting to see if their devices will support these new camera tools and how well AI filters will perform once the update is widely released. If you want to check whether your Samsung phone is eligible for the update, it's best to watch for official announcements from the company or check Samsung's software update pages for details. Bringing AI-powered features to older Galaxy models highlights how software updates can improve user experience without requiring a hardware upgrade. Many people hold on to their devices for several years before upgrading, so having access to new features through updates is a big advantage. If AI filters become available on multiple Galaxy devices, it will allow more users to explore creative photography without needing the latest flagship phone. What do you think about AI filters potentially coming to older Samsung devices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Samsung's latest features. Apple's latest addition to the iPhone lineup, the iPhone 16e, is here. It offers a more affordable alternative to the standard iPhone 16 models while still packing solid features with a powerful 18 chip, a 48 megapixel camera, and a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It seems like a great option, but one noticeable omission has people talking. MagSafe is missing. For some users, this might not be a deal breaker, but for others, it's a big loss. MagSafe was first introduced with the iPhone 12 series and quickly became a favorite among Apple users. It made wireless charging easier by snapping the charger onto the back of the phone. It also allowed users to attach accessories like wallets, battery packs, and car mounts without extra clips or adhesives. If you've invested in MagSafe accessories over the years, you might be disappointed to find that the iPhone 16e won't support them. So why did Apple decide to remove MagSafe from this model? The most likely reason is cost. The iPhone 16e is designed to be the most budget-friendly model in the iPhone 16 lineup, starting at $599. By cutting MagSafe, Apple likely reduced production costs to keep the price lower. But was it the right decision? For some, MagSafe is just a minor convenience. They might not mind using standard wireless charging, which the iPhone 16e still supports at 15 watts. However, without MagSafe's magnetic attachment, charging won't be as seamless and accessories won't snap into place. There is a potential workaround, third-party cases that include built-in MagSafe rings. These cases can help some MagSafe accessories function, but they won't provide the same experience as having MagSafe built directly into the phone. Despite the absence of MagSafe, the iPhone 16e still delivers solid features. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display ensures vibrant colors and sharp details, making it great for watching videos and browsing. The 18 chip provides smooth performance, handling multitasking, gaming, and demanding